What's going on, everybody? So today I actually wanted to talk about booster bundles, but I think we're going to leave this for another video because over the past couple days I've been paying attention to some of these boxes on TCG Player from Sword and Shield era. And again, a couple days ago I only made a video saying that the next leg up for some of these is fairly close. Brilliant Stars, just based on eBay data, was one of the first ones I thought would move. But some of these on TCG Player are starting to see some 5 to 10% increases. So Chilling Reign, most recent sales from today and yesterday, $340 essentially, another at $340 yesterday, $345, and then the days before that it was like $315, $321, one up here at $344. But for the most part, this box is now moving into that $330, $340 range, and we'll have to watch it for like a week or two because again, 2 days of sales data, it really isn't that much. Evolving Skies, same deal here. Most recent sale, $1,460 from today, $1,400 yesterday, $1,350, $1,360, so mid 1300s now. Whereas if you go back about a week or two, a lot of these sales were around $1,300. Sure, you had a couple up around $1,360. You had a couple down at $1,200. So it does seem on average that these sales are going up and getting towards that $1,400 price point. And also, this isn't just on TCG Player. If we go to eBay and we look, lowest listed box of Chilling Reign right now in North America is $325 pre-shipping and pre-tax. A few at $325 actually. I guess some at $390 with shipping not added. Then some up to $345 essentially, another $320. So there are a lot of boxes in this $330, $340-ish range. But really anything under that is gone at this point. You got a couple boxes listed like $310, $315 over the past couple weeks. Those are gone. Evolving Skies, same deal. You have some still in the low 1300s. But there really isn't that many before you get to 1400. All of these are one quantity listings, one box, two box, three, and then the fourth box from Canada is already at 1400, but that's kind of an outlier because it's coming from Canada. 5, 6, again, another one at 1400, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 11 boxes, right? So really only 10 boxes. And if you guys remember, when we did this video a couple days ago and we looked at the sales rate of Evolving Skies, they're selling at 3.57 boxes a day. So if no more boxes hit the market on eBay within 3 days, so like Monday essentially or Tuesday, Evolving Skies booster boxes are going to be at that $1,400 price point, not $1,550, which we were talking about in this video, but you'd still break through into that $1,400 range after only a couple days. Outside that, Fusion Strike, same deal. This seems like it's basically a $500 box again. You had a sale yesterday, $505, then $476, another one at $470. This is TCG Player. If you go to eBay, the lowest listed right now is $491 from Canada. Again, that's before shipping and tax. After that, it jumps up to $505. Another one, $505. Those are all from Canada. $500, $470 is a low one. But really, most of these are in that like $490, $500-ish range. And it doesn't take you that long before, if you scroll down here, some of these are multi-quantity, but it doesn't take too long to get into that like 525, 530 range consistently, which again would be like a 5 or 6% move on a lot of these boxes. And again, in the video we did a couple days ago, Fusion Strike was selling at 3.86 boxes per day, which was one of the higher ones right behind Brilliant Stars and Lost Origin. And if you go look from today, there have been a couple sales, $500 pre-shipping and tax, $495, $480, and then yesterday you had sale at $500, $475. You had a sealed case sale for $3,300 yesterday as well. And then, I mean, you do have a couple lower ones in here, like 440-ish range. There's always going to be some outliers. Best offer on 465 would probably be a bit lower. But again, if you go back like a week and you look at most of the sales from a week ago, a lot of them are a bit lower in that like 440, 450, some even in the 430 range. So for the most part, the trend has been upwards. And then Brilliant Stars, second to last box here, it's getting close to its all-time high. I think we did at one point back in January have a couple sales over $300. And over the past couple days, I mean, most of the sales have been $295, $294 range, around that, $300 exactly yesterday. Whereas if you go back a week, you're back into the $290-ish range, not even $295. Lots of sales here in the 280s still. I think if you go back even a little bit further, there might be a couple in the 270s. And again, it was kind of all over the place. some up to $300, but I think on average it was probably a bit lower, closer to that like 280, 285 range, where now most recent sales are they're all over 290. And then finally Lost Origin, I figured I'd throw this in here. Keep an eye on this box to break through 400 again. Most recent sales 395, one at 370, another one at 395. So Lost Origin, maybe not as much as these other boxes, but again, referencing the video from a couple days ago, it is selling a fair amount per day. It's actually one of the most popular boxes on eBay right now. And I know TCG Player is a bit different than eBay in terms of, a marketplace, but keep an eye on Lost Origin because there really wasn't that much inventory left on the secondary market. Personally, out of all these boxes, I would be keeping my eye on Evolving Skies the most because I think there's probably the least amount out there. Maybe, let me double check this booster box. There's actually a lot less of Brilliant Stars and Astral before a leg up, but I think in terms of just raw boxes overall, it's probably going to be Evolving Skies. And really, like, there's only 10 boxes until they get into the 1400 range. And after that, I'm sure we're going to have to chew through a lot more boxes before we get to like the 14. Well, really not that many, actually. I mean, that's like what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11-ish boxes, 10, 11 boxes before 1450 again. So you'll see, like, that'll be a couple days and then we're kind of at that next level, and then a couple more days next level. And I know I'm beating a dead horse by saying this, but people can add more boxes to eBay. Some sellers might have more inventory than they have listed on their listing on eBay. And I also am not looking at auctions. So again, there are going to be things that affect this and slow it down, but it's just interesting. It's interesting to see these boxes silently creeping up to their all-time highs again. But I won't keep you guys any longer. This video's already gone on too long. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you have a great weekend. Stay safe wherever you are in the world, and I'll catch you in the next one.